let us solve few problems related to basics. Okay, for this thing no need to have any concepts. If you have like 6th to 7th class basics or your schooling basics, that is more than enough. Even though if you don't have, you just start doing these problems. From problem only you will get concept for basics. Okay, no need to prepare basics again specially. So let us solve problem number 40. So consider the matrix. X is what? 4 cross 3 matrix. Y is 4 cross 3 matrix. And P is 2 cross 3 matrix. Then the order of the matrix is. So first you have to evaluate the bracket parenthesis first. First take X transpose into Y. X transpose into Y is how much? X transpose means it will become 3 cross 4. So X transpose means this will be 3 cross 4 into Y is how much? 4 cross 3. 4 4 get cancelled. Now what you will get? X transpose Y will be in the order of 3 cross 3. Okay, we got X transpose Y as 3 cross 3. Then X transpose Y whole inverse. Inverse, if it is 3 cross 3, that means whole inverse will also be 3 cross 3. Up to this point it is solved. Then multiply this thing with P here. So what is P? P is 2 cross 3. P is 2 cross 3 and X transpose Y whole inverse is 3 cross 3. 3 3 cancel. I will get P into X transpose Y whole inverse as 2 cross 3. Then after getting up to this point I have to do P transpose. This entire thing I got 2 cross 3. Then P transpose is 3 cross 2. 3 3 get cancelled. So P into X transpose Y inverse into P transpose is equal to 2 cross 2. Again whole transpose of entire thing is again 2 cross 2. So what is the order? 2 cross 2 is correct answer. Then let us do problem number 41. Multiplication of two matrices. EF is G. EF is G. Where matrix E they have given, matrix F they have not given, matrix G they have given. Then what is matrix F? Okay, it is very easy problem, even though it seems to be tough. Okay, what I can write? E into E transpose is I can write like that, because here G matrix is indirectly I matrix. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, this is I matrix only. So if it is I matrix we have given with E, then E transpose matrix will be what? F. First if you find E transpose, that will be F. E transpose is cos theta minus sin theta 0. Here sin theta cos theta 0. Where it is? Cos theta minus sin theta 0. Sin theta cos theta 0 0 0. One option C is correct. Then problem number 42. Problem number 42, given that the matrices J and K they have given, then the product of K transpose JK. First find K transpose. If it is like this, how will you find K transpose? K transpose will be 1 2 minus 1. Then K transpose you got. After that J matrix. What is J matrix? 3 2 1 2 4 2 1 2 6. Come on, start multiplying. Start multiplying this thing. So rows into columns, I will get which matrix? This is number of rows 1, number of columns 3, number of rows 3, number of columns 3. So I will get 1 cross 3 matrix. So 1 cross 3 matrix, 1 into 3 plus, likewise come on multiply, 1 into 3 plus 2 into 2, 4 7 7. Then later what you will get? 7 minus 1, that will be 6. Likewise do all things. 6 8 minus 1. Now up to K transpose J I have done. Then I have to multiply K also. Come on, K also multiply. K will be 1 2 minus 1. This is 1 cross 3. This is 3 cross 1. So I will get 1 cross 1 matrix, that is one single value. 6 into 1 6 plus 8 into 2 16. 1 into 1 1. So total what? 23 is the total value.